Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the screen brightness on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you like to use your phone at night and you need that extra lower brightness, stick to the end of this video and I'll show you how you can get that. So without further ado, let's dive into it. You can adjust the brightness of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra through the settings or through the quick settings. First, I'm going to show you how you can adjust it through the quick settings. Then I'm going to show you how you can adjust through the settings. To adjust it through the quick settings, what you have to do is tap here on the top right side and swipe it down. You will have access to all of these quick settings. To find the option related to the brightness, look for the sun icon. In this case, the sun icon is right here inside this slider. To adjust the brightness, what you have to do is just tap and hold inside this slider and drag it to the left if you want to dim it. As you can see, it will dim the brightness, and drag it to the right if you want to increase the brightness. Now, if you keep increasing the brightness, you will see that on this side, the icon changes to orange. So it shows you that from that point onwards, the more that you increase the brightness, the more quick you will drain your battery. So keep that in mind. Once you find the level that is comfortable for you, just stop there. This is how you adjust the screen brightness. Right here on the right side, at the end of the slide, you have this moon icon. This option is related to the theme of your device. If you tap on it, you will disable. You will disable because in my case, it was enable. So if you disable, the theme of your device will be light. Let me show you. As you can see, the theme here is light. Now let's go back again. If I tap on it to enable, the theme of my device will change to dark. As you can see, it changed to dark mode. So you can quickly tap on this icon to enable light or to enable dark mode. If you tap and hold here inside this slider, you'll get access to more brightness options. And right here below, you have adaptive brightness. And as you can see, mine is on. I recommend you to enable this option because depending on the light of your environment, the screen brightness of your device will adjust itself. Let me show you. I'm going to increase the brightness now. I'm going to turn this option off and turn the option on again. Did you notice the screen brightness adjusted itself? So depending on the light of your environment, it will increase or decrease the brightness of your screen. So keep that option on. If you are inside in very low light environment, the screen brightness of your device will decrease itself. If you're outside under the sun, the screen brightness will increase itself. Once you're done here, tap here on done and tap anywhere outside this icon, tap and hold and swipe up to close the quick settings. Now let me show you how you can adjust the brightness through the settings. So I'm going to tap now on the settings app. This will bring the settings. I'm going to scroll down until I find display, which is this option here. Tap on it. And right here at the top, you have the option to select the theme for your device. In this case, as you can see, mine is set to dark mode. If you tap here, it will set it to light. If I tap here again, it will set to dark. Below it, you have the brightness slider. On this side, you can see the sun icon. And if you tap inside this slider, tap and hold, drag it to the left, you will dim it, drag it to the right, you will increase the brightness. And if you see here, right on the right side, you have this small portion on orange. That shows that from that point onward, if you keep increasing, the faster you will drain your battery. And below it, you have adaptive brightness. In my case, I have this option on. If you tap here, you'll turn that option off, and if you tap again, you'll turn that feature on. Did you notice the brightness slider adjusted itself? Now let me show you something else. If you turn the adaptive brightness off, you'll get another option, which is extra brightness. If you tap on it to enable, it will increase the screen brightness of your device even more. But keep in mind, the more you increase the brightness, the quicker you will drain your battery. If you need extra brightness, just enable this option. Remember, to enable this option, you have to turn off adaptive brightness. Most of the time I have this option off and I have the adaptive brightness on. Now, if you like to read at night and you find that the minimum level of brightness is not enough for you, let me show you now how you can dim even more. To do that, let's go back to the setting, tap here. Now here inside the settings, scroll down until you find accessibility. So accessibility is right here, tap there. Inside accessibility, tap on vision enhancement. Inside here, scroll down until you find extra dim. This option here, tap on it. By enabling this option, you will be able to dim beyond the minimum level of brightness. This way, you will be able to get that comfortable reading at night. Well everyone, this is how you adjust the screen brightness on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.